Want to sip your way to a slimmer you? Grab your mug and let's get started. Meet Sarah. She was struggling to lose weight until she discovered this special coffee. It's not just any coffee, it's packed with natural ingredients that help boost metabolism and burn fat. Here's how it works. The coffee contains green coffee bean extract, a powerful antioxidant that helps slow down the absorption of fat. Plus, it has a blend of superfoods like turmeric and cinnamon, known for their fat-burning properties. Sarah started her day with a cup of this magic brew. Within weeks, she felt more energetic and saw a noticeable drop in pounds. The best part? It tastes delicious and fits perfectly into her morning routine. So, if you're looking for an easy and tasty way to lose weight, why not give this special coffee a try? Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Sip smart, stay healthy, and watch the magic happen.